Alright guys, I got it, everything's out, and I'll show you what I got. Here we go. First time of me owning a scale trail truck, 1/10 scale. It's a Gen 7 Pro. And that's a real spare tire. And the only thing I don't like is that these are plastic. Yeah. And this is what I added, the chain. And it comes with decals and the side stickers for the panels. But here's what I made, the trailer for it. I just repainted it today. And this box is from a Dremel toolkit. And I had it, I wasn't using it, so I got the battery in there for my trail lights. The Vector 70. And I painted them. There's my lights. And I got them on both sides. But let's get this thing in the water. Yeah, this is my first time launching a boat like this. And I'll see you guys here in a few seconds.